So the next thing I'm going to be working on is a set of 3 Atari Breakout PCBs. And I've had these for a while. They've been in a box, and I uncovered it recently as I was looking for stuff to work on. So before I can start working on them, though, I don't have a test harness yet for an original Atari Breakout. If you've been watching my channel, or if you look through my past videos, you'll see that I had a Venture Line breakthrough PCB. It's basically a clone. They're going to be very identical, very close to identical, but it's not the same pinout. The pinout's different. So I've got to build a test harness, and that's what I'm working on. Once I get that, then I can start making the videos to repair these, and hey, maybe they'll just work out of the box. I wouldn't hold my breath on that. Anyway, once I get them running, I'm going to try installing my little level selector PCB, where you can select between normal, easy, and super easy, or normal, which is hard, and position 2 is medium, and 3 is easy, however you want to look at it. Basically, it just makes the size of the paddle either the normal size, double the normal size, or quadruple the normal size. All right, well, anyway, let me get to working on this harness so I can make more videos. Okay, so got the wiring harness put together finally. It took me basically all day to get this done. It's now getting late at night, so I'm not going to be doing much more except for just explaining what I did here. So got the harness wired up, added an external sink to get the best possible picture, added a couple of switches here for the coin switches on the door, coin door. And the edge connector on this needed some attention, so I cleaned it up, and so I wouldn't tear up my new connector, edge connector there. So let's fire it up and see how it looks. So, got a picture, got some funkiness going on there with the score. And this setup uses a Atari paddles, which has a 1 mega ohm potentiometer in it, and the board requires a 5 kilo ohm potentiometer. So this will work. It's just going to be very sensitive. So let's see if we can start a game. We put a credit on it. Yep. So the credit circuit's working, at least for one of the coin door switches. And you can see the paddle's responding to me moving it, but it is really, really sensitive. So there may be a problem with the circuitry. I'll have to look at that. So I'll try to hit the ball. Yeah, it's not going to be possible. There's just no way I can control it. Oh, I hit it. I don't hear any sounds though. So we got no audio. We've got gameplay though. That's interesting. Okay, the settings for this are, it's in cocktail mode, and it says 1 play per coin, and it's on 5 ball. That's what the settings are for the board. Let's see if that part works, if it'll play 5 balls. Ooh, I got a piece of it. That didn't score, so there's a problem with the scoring. Oh wait, it did score. I've hit 3 blocks and there's 3 points, so that's correct. Yeah. That should have ended the game. The ball counts at 5, so there's a problem with the game over. But the scoring is working. Ooh, it sped up, so that's good. So far. Okay. I guess the ball count did work. I guess it's correct, so just ignore what I said. So game over worked, scoring worked, gameplay worked, no audio though. I might have hooked up the audio wrong. All right, that'll be something I look at tomorrow. I'm not going to do anything else tonight. Anyway, this video was about about getting the harness set up and being able to see if it works with the board. It looks like I got it pretty close, if not 100%. Thanks for watching.